Greetings YouTube. As promised, this is Kevlar Chicken coming in with another folding knife review. This one is gonna be short. So, this is the Magnum M by Boker, and this one comes in this little package. Very nice packaging. And you can pull it out from here. Now I have used this one, and I will very quickly tell you, this is gonna be a short video. I will put the characteristics down below of this knife if by any chance you wanna get it. But very quickly, the opening mechanism is this flip up. The blade steel is 440A stainless, and you can check out the rest of the characteristics down below. However, I don't think there's much point to it other than for entertainment purposes, because this has been discontinued and it's not very good in my personal opinion. Now this is gonna be my first negative review. I would give this knife personally a 4 out of 10 because it fails at its main purpose, which is to be a knife that folds. This has seen use in everyday carry for a few months, but this little bolt fell out and I tried tightening it back and it just kept falling off. So this isn't a very good knife. I like to use my knives, and although this design is pretty good in general, I can see why they discontinued it. Now I have resharpened this once, but it hasn't been in a while, but it also hasn't been used, so the most damage that could have possibly been done is some rust and some dirt gathering from oxidation. So let's see how it cuts, at the very least. Standard A4 printer paper. Let's be eco-friendly. So let's see. That was my fault. So this cuts very nicely, but sadly that doesn't mean much when this thing right here rattles. So this is gonna be my first 4 out of 10.